oil pressure, all that shit off the chain. Trans temp, intake air temp. Just a little something. AFRs. Let's see if y'all can see that vacuum gauge move. Let's see how much fuel pressure I got real quick before I cut it off. About 65 psi. Man, Sky, man, Sky. Look at all that shit on the back of it. It's coming off though. Sky, big horsepower. Mr. LSX, y'all already know who it is. Get it how you live it, man. Mr. LSX, get it how you live it. Sky 3.0, big horsepower bill. Live in effect, y'all heard it right here. Stay tuned, coming to a city near you. About to take these off. Gonna put my order in for my roaches. So, switch is off. Fuel pressure about 45. Header still burning off. So get all that squared away. Long tubes down in there. She looking pretty good. Them big pulleys. Stay tuned, man. That's as long as I done let it ran since I had it going. So I'm about to pull it back in the garage and put it up for the night.